Hey everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to use Skrill to pay on Amazon. Since Amazon doesn't directly accept Skrill, we will use a Skrill virtual card. Let's dive in. First of all, ensure you have a Skrill account. If you don't, go to skrill.com and sign up and verify your account. It's easy and quick. Once logged in, create a Skrill virtual card from there. After that, log into your Amazon account. Go to your account, then payment options. Click on add a credit card or debit card. Enter the details of your Skrill virtual card here. Now browse Amazon, add items to your cart and proceed to checkout. Select your Skrill virtual card as the payment method and confirm your purchase. And that's it. You have successfully used Skrill to pay on Amazon. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick guides. Thanks for watching.